Hello, so I'm going to create a lambda function to count the number of vowels in a piece of text, and we're going to call it CountVowels, and it will be lambda text, and the definition of the function will be let. So first of all we need to split the text into characters, and to do that we use mid text and the sequence, which is as long as there are characters in the text, and 1, and that gives us 1 character per cell. And the next thing we need to do is to check each of those characters to see if they are a vowel or not, and we'll call it is vowel, and it will be not, is na, x match, and chars, and then there will be a, e, I, o, and u, and then that's is vowel. And now we need to, the number of vowels is just the sum of is vowel plus 0 to convert it into 1s and 0s, and then return that as the output of the function. So now we can count vowels of Amy and get 1, and copy it down, and Steve is 2 and Beverly is 2. Okay, so that's CountVowels. Now there are some patterns here which we can extract and use in other functions. So this mid statement to convert text into some characters can be used in lots of different places. So let's get characters equals lambda text. So we can reuse that now. That's a new lambda function, and let's call it characters text. And there's another one which is ListContains lambda text, and then this the text and list, and we want the text to go here and the list to go here. If I can just be a bit quicker, and that's ListContains. Now the reason I do that is so that I don't have to keep remembering that long is na formula every time I want to do that. So now I've got 3 functions in a few minutes of characters, ListContains, and CountVowels, and that's the end. Thanks.